welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and today I'm very excited because I'm about to share with you an unboxing or an unbagging video of my very first traveler's notebook from Traveler's Company in Japan. So if you watched my Taiwan haul video, you would know that this is the traveler's notebook that I bought from my recent trip in Taiwan, and I'm very excited to see what's inside, although I have an idea because I chose the color, but I'm just so excited because, as what I've told you, this is my very first Traveler's Company Traveler's Notebook. So without further ado, let's open this one. Okay, ta-ta-da-ta-ta. By the way, I bought this one from Eslite Bookstore. I was actually looking for sales and promos, but I wasn't able to find one for the Traveler's Notebook. Okay, so let's open this one. I'm just so excited. Okay. So, Traveler's Notebook for all the travelers who have a free spirit. So, there's a Japanese description and there's also an English description. And here, Traveler's Notebook, the leather cover color is color blue. So it contains, or this package contains, a cotton bag, a leather cover, notebook refill blank, and a spare rubber band. This is also made with MD white paper, or this is also made of MD white paper. Okay. Let's open this one. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so giddy. Okay, let's open this one. What is this? I do not know what this is. And if you're here, you could smell the scent of leather. Okay, so this is a traveler's notebook in description in Japanese and also description in English. And then there's an elastic, a spare elastic in yellow, color yellow. And this is the cotton cover. And let's open this one. Could you see how beautiful this is? Traveler's Notebook. If you could see, I don't know if the camera could capture this one. Traveler's Notebook. Traveler's Company Japan, made in Thailand. Just look at how beautiful this color blue leather is. It has a hardware also. And when you open this one, I'm just so happy. Okay, there's a refill. I think this is the same 003 insert. And then there's a bookmark. There you go. And then there's two elastic. I'm just so happy. And then there's also an elastic to close this one. And I think you could also use this elastic. So basically, this is my simple yet so giddy unboxing video of my very first Traveler's Notebook from Traveler's Company. I hope that you enjoy this video because I felt so excited unboxing this very beautiful Traveler's Notebook. So that's all for now, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!